Good morning, friends. Welcome back to a new vlog. Today is actually Sunday. It is Sunday, July 18th, and I thought I would pick up my vlog camera again. It has been a while since I vlogged because I have been quite busy lately. If you have been following me on Instagram or anything like that, you may have seen that I opened a pop-up shop. So Blaise Boutique is having a summer pop-up at the seaside in Ostende, to be precise, which has been taking up a lot of my time, obviously, and I also have just tons of work in general, which is why I haven't really picked up the vlog. But I do want to try and share more of my, entrepreneurial life with you guys, and just more behind the scenes videos, which is something I want to start doing, or at least try to. But today is actually my day off. It is, I think, the second one this summer, and it is already the 18th. So I am just going to chill all day because honestly I deserved it, and I am really tired. As you probably can see, I am not wearing any makeup and I look dead, obviously. Also haven't done my hair. I am just too lazy right now, but I'm about to head on over to my mom's place and just sit in the garden and read a book. So those are the plans for today. Oh yeah, let's go and sit in the garden and just do nothing all day long. By the way, it is already 12:22 in the afternoon, so I'm going to give Alex his food first and then we are off. By the way, this is the outfit that I am wearing. It is a little bit wrinkled up because I already sat down in it, but it is just a linen play suit from The Label, and I just love wearing this because it is so comfy and loose, especially for chill days or just going to the beach. I'm wearing my bikini from H&M, and then my sunnies here are from Ralph Lauren. And then the book that I am currently reading is this one. It is Where the Crawdads Sing, I think that's how you say it, by Delia Owens. I would highly recommend this book. It is so good. So I'm going to try and get a little bit further into the story. I am a very slow reader. By the way, I don't think you guys have seen this in our hallway. This is actually a new piece. It was a present for my birthday from my boyfriend, and it took a while to get here, but it finally came. It is from Maison du Monde. Then I also hung up this wall hook. This is from my online store, but you can also get it in the physical stores. And then this is just what I put on it right now. This is a candle from Anthropology, which smells absolutely heavenly. And then I just put some small knickknacks here and there. But yeah, now I'm going to start chilling and go on a walk with Alex. Alex. Alex, come, come. Pak die balletje. Hey guys, it's a couple of days later. It is actually Sunday the next week, so it has been a week since I picked up my vlog camera. It just happens. But today I do have an afternoon off, so I thought I would pick up my camera again and vlog. I do have an online order that came in from Naked, so I thought I would quickly show you guys what I picked up and maybe also do a try on haul. And then today in Austin, I also went to Rituals and picked up a few things, so I'm also going to show you guys what I picked up there. I also made myself an iced latte. So delicious. But starting off with the things I got from Rituals. The first thing I got is the Ritual of Karma fragrance sticks. I absolutely love this scent. It reminds me of vacation because I do have the sunscreen from this line, and of course I use that on holidays, so now the scent just reminds me of vacation. So I picked up those for in the apartment. Then I picked up a perfume for my boyfriend. I got the smaller size because I'm not sure if he will like it, and if he likes it I can always buy the full size. It is the Maharaji, I don't know. It's a men's perfume, so let's hope he likes it. And then I also got a backup of my favorite sunscreen. This is the Ritual of Karma Sun Protection Milky Spray in SPF 30. Hands down the best sunscreen ever. Then I also picked up the Rêve de Hanami Eau de Parfum. I smelled this in store and it smells so good, so I decided to splurge and get a new perfume. It has been a while since I bought a new perfume, so I thought I would splurge and get a new one. And then I also got a Your Favorite Summer Duo for free, which comes with a face sunscreen and a after sun cooling shower gel. So that's everything that I got from Rituals. But as I mentioned, I also ordered a few things off Naked. So let me grab my package. Alright, here's my package, and as you can see, I already opened it up because there was one thing in here that I was really excited about. So I'll start with that, which is a dress. Now, Rianne Meijer, or how do you say it in English? Rianne Meijer, I think that's how you pronounce it. I absolutely love her style and her Instagram page, and she has a new collab with Naked, so of course, this is her name by the way. I had to pick up a few pieces, and the first thing I picked up is this beautiful maxi dress. It is quite long and really hard to show you guys on camera, but I hope it will look very pretty. I can already tell that it will be a little bit too long for me, but we will see in the try on portion if it is too long or not. Next, from Naked Fashion, I also got a bikini, so the top and bottom. I am not going to try these on. I do not feel comfortable doing that, but I'll show you guys what they look like. So these are the bottoms, which, yeah, we'll see. But I absolutely loved the color, so these are the bottoms. And then this is the top, which looks like this. But again, absolutely loved the color of these. This is just such a fun, happy and bright color. And then in that same color, I also picked up a linen shirt, which I hope fits me. This is what it looks like. It does look quite oversized, but again, this is a beautiful color from the bikini, and I just love wearing oversized linen shirts during the summertime. And then I also got the same one in a sage kind of color. It looked more sage on the website. If I don't forget, I will add in a photo of what it looked like on the website, but in real life it doesn't look sage at all. It just looks like a beige color, but I think it is the exact same as the last one that I showed you, but just in a different color. So those were all of the pieces that I picked up from Naked. But before doing the try on portion of this video, I also have some PR stuff that I wanted to show you guys. So Pixie Beauty sent me a huge package the other day, which contains all of their new collabs that they do. So I think once a year they do collabs with influencers, and this is what they came out with this year. So first we have a lip and cream color palette. This is in collaboration with Louise Rowe. The colors look so beautiful. And then we have a shape shifter contour palette in collaboration with Promise, I think is her name. I don't know who she is, but the palette again looks very pretty. It is definitely more for deeper skin tones, so I think I will donate this one to someone that has a deeper skin tone than I do. But next up we have an eyeshadow palette in collaboration with Tina Young. I think I have heard of Tina Young before. And then lastly we have a collab with Makeup by Denise, and this is again like a face palette, I guess. But very pretty colors. So yeah, this is the first package that I wanted to show you guys. Thank you again to Pixie for sending it over. I cannot wait to start playing with these, and I just love the fact that they collaborate with influencers. That is just so cool. And then next up we have a few things from My Muesli. So they sent me a couple of their granola boxes, which are the summer editions. So we have the summer muesli, then we have the raspberry caramel fudge and the pink granola. Honestly, the packaging, A+. It looks so summery and beautiful, and I'm also happy to report that the granola itself is really delicious. And then they also sent me a mini box of their summer editions. I will have a link linked down below in the description, and if you use that link, or is it a coupon code, I'm not sure, definitely check the description. You will get this for free when you order online. Alright, now I'm going to change and quickly show you guys what the pieces from Naked look like on. Alright, the first dress is definitely a no. It is just way too tight around my waist. As you can see, it is just way too tight here. But aside from that, I do think it looks really pretty, but it is just not very comfortable for me to wear. I love the slit it has, but unfortunately, it is just not for me. It is way too tight around this area. So unfortunately, the dress is a no. Even though I do love the print, it is just not for me, unfortunately. Alright, next up we have the linen shirt, and I do really love this one. Again, loving the color. I love the fit. I did tuck it in a little bit, but if I take it out, this is the length that it has, and I absolutely love it. So luckily for me, this is definitely a keep. Of course, I also really love this one. It is the same exact one as the color that I showed you previously, just of course in a beige color. But since I love the fit of these shirts, I will definitely be keeping this. And again, this is what it looks like once I tuck it out. Love it. And it also looks really pretty once I tie it in the front right here, paired with some denim shorts. I think this will be very cute and very summery. Alright, so now I'm just going to clean up a little bit, work on my iPad, and then my mom is coming over and we will watch some Grey's Anatomy. I started watching Grey's Anatomy and I absolutely love it. I don't know why it took me so long to get on that bandwagon, but wow, that show is so good. Highly recommend. And I also still have to make some Instagram stories for the PR that I showed you guys. So I still have a lot of work to do today. I already went to my store and worked like half a day. I only had one day off this week, so I thought I would take advantage of the fact that I had someone with me working. So I took the afternoon off. But even though I have the afternoon off, I still have a lot of work to do.
Mr. Byrne, Victor here, Dr. Bailey. I'm gonna need some help. You showed a little gift with my specialty.